Hello, everyone. The NAC registrations are now over. Thanks for an overwhelming response. There are a few things which I would like to address now regarding the National Astronomy Challenge. First being the dates for the Olympiad. Now, the dates for the Olympiad has already been shared by us on our website. To reiterate the dates, for grade 8th and 9th, the Olympiad will happen on 8th of January 2022. For grade 6 and 7, the Olympiad will happen on 15th January 2022. And for grade 4th and 5th, Olympiad will happen on 22nd of January 2022. Once you have registered for your Olympiad, you all must have received a mail from us stating the completion of your registration. Along with that mail, you should also have received a mail stating your login ID and password for a learning platform. Now, this is important because everything else for the NAC is done through that learning platform only. Your course content, your final exam, your data verification, everything is done through that platform only. So please ensure that you have gone through that platform. If you still haven't gone through it, we have shared a separate video, the link for which you can find in the description of this video as well. Right? Additionally, you will also need to go through an onboarding process. Now, this onboarding process is meant for the verification of the student and to ensure that the system that a person is using during the Olympiad is appropriate. That is the reason that onboarding needs to be done now only. So please ensure that you complete your onboarding before 31st of December 2021. We have shared the link for a video in the description where you would get to know the steps that you will need to follow to complete your onboarding. Now, once you have done that as well, finally, mock questions have been uploaded on the system. Do go through that. Now, these mock questions are just to show you in which format the exam will be. They would also tell you what exactly the type of question you will be getting in your exam. And that's all for today. After this, we will be sharing another video. And in that video, we will be telling you what exactly you need to do on the day of the Olympiad and what are the do's and don'ts that you need to take care while giving your NAC. That's all for today. All the best, everyone, and take care.